Listen, if you are preparing for JAMB 2026, I want you to hear this. Students who score 300 plus are not smarter than you. The only difference is they started early and they followed a proven plan. Now, in this video, I want to hand you the exact blueprints for free. So make sure you don't miss out. My name is Chris, and for the past 2 years, I have been coaching JAMB students. I have seen firsthand why many students fail, and not because they are not smart. It is because they prepare late, they lack system, and they underestimate the exam. In this video, I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint that have helped so many of my students to jump from an average score to scoring 300 plus in JAMB. Stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you how you can grab my JAMB success PDF that contain the full syllabus, 4 months preparation plan, and already made timetable you can use to start reading today. Now, before going into the textbook, the syllabus, and the timetable I'll be giving to you in this video here, let me begin with you here. Success in JAMB requires less of your brain power, but depends on these two key factors you must know. A large majority of students actually want to ignore this. Now, make sure you watch this video and take note of what these two factors if truly you really want to score in JAMB. Now, the first factor is here, making peace with yourself. This sounds simple, but actually it is the first battle. Now, you must sit yourself down and tell yourself that I deserve to score high in JAMB, and I must gain admission this year, and nothing will stop me. A lot of students never reach this point. They are halfway in and halfway out. One day they are motivated, the other day they are distracted, scrolling through TikTok for almost 3 hours. You can't fight a war you are not sure you are going to win. Now let me give you an analogy here. Just like you playing football, you can't score a goal or you can't score goals without you facing the goalpost. Making peace with yourself means you are facing the goalpost. It means that you are ready. So that actually determine if you're going to do well or score 200 in JAMB in 2026 is your willingness to go the extra mile, which is called determination. How determined are you to actually go the extra mile to get the results? Now, because there are some days where you not have that determination to study. There are some days where you feel weak, but only your willingness to go the extra miles, get the extra textbook, get the extra hour, get the extra tutor that actually will separate you from the rest. The students who end up scoring 300 plus, they are not superhuman. Now, the only differentiating factor that differentiates them from the rest is that they are willing to what solve more past questions. They are willing to spend much time in CBT app. They are willing to what read every single thing they need to study, and they are willing to what to pay any amount they need to pay in order for them to acquire what knowledge. Now, one other person saying that I don't have money to pay for online classes, I don't have money to buy textbook. Now, these people are willing to go put in their every single effort, right? Some are even willing to read throughout the night for them to be able to get this for them to to be able to get this 300 plus. And I can tell you that for first hand experience, those students who score 300 plus, they are not that intelligent and smarter than other people here. Just that they are willing to put in the best. They are willing to go through the extra mile. Just so now before you start playing for the JAMB 26, I want to ask this question here. Have you made peace with yourself? Have you convinced yourself that you want to really do well in JAMB 26? Another thing here is that how determined are you? How far can you go in order for you to get the kind of results you want to get? Now, these are things you need to answer for yourself before you can start getting the past question, buying the textbook, getting the PDF I'm going to give to you. It's very important to know this thing here because large majority of students actually ignore these two factors. That is why they waste their time without achieving nothing. In this session, yeah, I would want to explain to you why large majority of students, over 70 to 80% of students, fail woefully in JAMB examination. Now let's be honest here. Most students fail JAMB not that because they are not intelligent, because of bad preparation what habits. And the first one is what late preparation trap. Every year I've seen large majority of students wait till 4 weeks or 2 weeks to the exam. Now 2 weeks to the exam, this is when they want to rush and cover the JAMB syllabus. This is where this is where they will burn themselves out, panic, and end up frustrated in the what exam hall. Now let me give you an analogy here so you understand this thing properly. It's just like someone who is trying to what prepare jollof rice 5 minutes to the what party. Now what happen here? You end up preparing uncooked rice and pepper soup. Now this is what most of them do. Now they don't start on time. Now you are watching this video now, like about 6 months to 7 months to jam. Now, one large majority of them do, they've not start preparing. Now, they wait till 4 weeks, 3 weeks, or 2 weeks for the exam. This is one of the reasons why large majority of students would fail jam examination. Another reason why large majority of students fail is because they underestimate the exam. Another mistake from students is think that jam is an easy exam. Let me tell you the truth here. Now, a large majority of students think that they can just pass exam because they have been passing every other exam in their secondary school. JAM exam is totally what different. Now, let me tell you the truth here. JAM tests your speed, JAM tests your accuracy, and JAM tests you your consistency under pressure. It is a what battlefield where preparation wins. If you don't prepare very well, you cannot win. That is what number one. Two, underestimating the exam. If you're underestimating the exam, if you think that jam examination is very easy, you are just deceiving yourself. Jam examination is very, very difficult. And the last thing that make large majority of students fail jam is because due to what distraction and lack of focus. Large majority of students, they cannot sit down for maybe 1 hour, 2 hours to study. Now they end up scrolling through TikTok for 3 hours, going to Facebook, and yes, they are not focused. Now, when they want to study, now they'll be with their book and their phone is on, right? They are not focused. If you are that kind of person, you cannot actually what train your mind and focus to what to prepare for this exam. And this is what large majority of students suffer, right? In this on this YouTube channel, I will actually will be telling you how to solve this problem. That is why you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that whenever I upload any video like this, set a video like this, you'll be the first to be able to be notified. Do you understand? So now I've mentioned what three things that make large majority of jumps that make large majority of jumps then to score very poorly. Do you understand? Now let me know if you're writing this jam 2026. Let me know the course you are going for. Please leave the word at the comment section. This session is going to be the blueprint for JAM success. Now, here's the good part. My students who blasted JAM follow this exact system I'm about to share with you. Right? Now, the first thing you need is what the JAM syllabus for 2025/2026. As of the time of me recording this video, the JAM syllabus is not yet out for 2025/2026 exam. But here's the thing here. You can also use the syllabus for 2024/2025, right? Because it's still going to be the same thing, just a little word difference. Let me just say 90% of the JAM syllabus for 2025 will also be the one for what 2026, right? And I want to share it just that, and I want to share that with you because you don't just want to read randomly. You want to read exactly what JAM will set in the exam. And JAM don't set beyond their syllabus. What they say you should study, if you should study very well, cover every single thing, answer most of the questions, and be strong with those things here. These are things you're going to see in your what in your exam. Do you understand? So I want to share them with you, the syllabus. I want to give you the syllabus so that you know exactly where to study, so that you can streamline your focus and you're going to be free. The next I want to share with you is what is 4 months exam preparation plan. This is a proven study plan that ensures that you cover the entire syllabus before the exam. Just now, most people now most they don't have study plan. They don't know exact. They don't know what to read today. They don't know what to read tomorrow. They don't know the time to study. That is why they end up frustrated. Now I'm going to share this proven study plan for you, and it's going to be for free. I'm going to give it for free. This is what my students use in their preparation. This is what they use in their study daily plan. It's going to be of great help to you. And next, I want to share with you is what your personal greedy timetable. Now, 4 months exam preparation plan is slightly different from the exam timetable, right? Large majority of students cannot follow through their own personal time. They don't know how to construct their timetable. Now, I'm going to share them with you. Now, you just only need to follow, like, you just like plug and play, right? Now, once you get the PDF that contains everything here, you are going to study timetable, copy the timetable. On Monday, this is what I'm going to read. On Tuesday, this is what I'm going to read. On Wednesday, this is what I'm going to read. On Thursday, or Friday, and on Saturday. Follow what the timing. Just there's one thing is going to be of great help to you. Now, it will help you read all the subjects you're going to write in your JAMB. Number one. Now, it's going to give you more time for your rest, right? And also give you more time to do other things. Just so you know the time for your reading, you know the time to rest, I know the time to go out to do other things, which is going to be of great help to you. Now, like what I said, I'm going to give you everything for free, right? So if you want that, the only thing you need now to get this here, leave a message that you need the free PDF. Now, or leave a message that you need the free PDF, and I will send you a link that you can use to go get the PDF, and it's going to be from my WhatsApp channel. Now, the reason why I'm taking to my WhatsApp channel because this way I drop update about JAMB 2026. So if you want a PDF that contains every single thing I've said in this session 3, leave a message that you want the free PDF. Now, another thing I want to say here is that if you know that you want a private one-on-one class, if you know that you are going for all these professional courses like medicine and surgery, nursing, anatomy, physiology, engineering, right? You know that you still have issues with your maths, chemistry, and physics, then you need private one-on-one class. Now, where I want to cover maths, chemistry, and physics for you. I'm going to guide you one-on-one, right? My number will be at the screen, so you can contact me for your 2026 JAMB preparation. My private class, you join my private class, you want to pay monthly. I want to tell you the price. You want to pay monthly. Then I want to start the exam. All this video is helpful. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you want the free PDF, leave a message that you want the free PDF, and join my WhatsApp channel for more updates. Right? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.